This video provides an easy ways to transfer Outlook contacts to Excel conveniently. First, you can export your Outlook contacts by copying and pasting them to Excel directly. Step 1. First, open your Outlook application on the PC. Then locate the People View option at the lower left corner and tap on it. Step 2. Locate the List option from the Current View section, then tap on it. Choose those contacts you wish to copy and tap Ctrl+C from the PC to copy all of them to the clipboard. Step 3. At last, open the Excel app on the computer and hit Create New Workbook to paste the contacts there. Below are steps to export addresses of Outlook to Excel. Step 1. First, tap on File, then choose the Open and Export option. After that, choose the Import or Export option on the right side. Step 2. On the Import and Export wizard window, choose the Export to a File option, then hit Next. When you reach the Create a File of Type step, choose the one that you want and hit Next. Step 3. Choose Contacts as your wanted folder to export, then hit Next. Step 4. You can then choose a destination folder to export the contacts. After choosing the saving place, hit Next Finish. Your contacts will soon be exported automatically, and you will be able to locate the folder and open the CSV file in Excel. Outlook allows you export Outlook contacts to Excel from the web. Step 1. Visit Outlook Web on a web browser on your computer. Tap on the People button in the left section to open contacts. Step 2. Tap Manage Contacts from the drop-down list at the right section of the contact list. Choose Export Contacts to open an Export Contacts box. Step 3. From this dialog box, select all contacts or particular contacts. Tap on the Export button. You can then choose the destination folder to export. Step 4. Excel files will begin downloading, and you will get your contacts in Excel. Coolmaster Android Assistant allows us to export and import contacts to and from Outlook and computers effortlessly. Step 1. Launch the program on the computer and launch Android Assistant. Step 2. Plug in your Android to the computer using a USB. Make sure USB debugging is activated on the phone. After establishing a connection between the computer and Android, you'll see the primary interface. Step 3. Select the Contacts option from the left panel and tap the Import and Import from Outlook options from the drop-down menu. Choose the location folder and transfer them to your phone.